Yo, now calm down now, calm down, calm down. Who me hear a talk say Mark Golden is not a Jamaican. Me hear one lady sing a song about labor rights and I say Mark Golden is a Syrian. Lady, no disrespect. Let me tell you something right now. Mark Golden is a born Jamaican. Nobody change that. Say Mark Golden, he's a born Jamaican. Labor right here team with all them heart. Jamaican, please go and vote for Mark Golden, my friend. And this land will be a beautiful island. And everybody sing hallelujah when Mark Golden win election. Jamaican, please just put your X right beside the head, and this place will be the beautiful Jamaican. Mark Golden is the number one. Mark Golden don't believe in corruption. Mark Golden never do us no wrong. So why we talk bad against this man? Jamaican, don't let the labor rights fool you. Mark Golden is a born Jamaican man. Jamaican, you're wrong. Everybody sing hallelujah, and them singing with all them heart. Jamaican, please just put your X right beside the head, and this place could be the beautiful place on earth. This is the voice of creation.